StoreDot, an Israeli battery startup, has developed extremely fast batteries that can charge electric cars from home. Battery technology hasn't changed in over 3 decades. Now, one Israeli tech startup is aiming to change the status quo and disrupt the electric vehicle battery market with extremely faster charging that takes EV charging from hours to minutes. Enter StoreDot, a Tel Aviv, Israel-based tech startup that has revolutionized the conventional lithium battery by designing and synthesizing proprietary organic and inorganic compounds, making it possible to fully charge an EV in just 5 minutes, the same time it takes to refuel a conventional combustion engine vehicle. To further complete its R&D and mass production scale-up of silicon-dominant extreme fast charging battery cells by 2024, StoreDot announced today it has announced the first close of its Series D funding round of up to $8 million. The majority of which have already been secured. The round is led by key strategic investors, strengthening StoreDot's partnerships in the global automotive battery ecosystem. The lead investor is the fast-growing flagship Vietnamese electric vehicle manufacturer, VinFast, which plans to scale up manufacturing and deploy StoreDot's extreme fast charging in future EV architectures. Other backers include BP Ventures, a current StoreDot investor and active partner, underpinning its purpose of reimaging energy for people and our planet. In addition, Golden Energy Global Investment Limited, a wholly owned company by EVE Energy's founder, Dr. Lu Jincheng, will be one of the participants in the funding round. Founded in 2012 by a strong technological team of noted scientists and device engineering experts including CEO Dr. Doran Meyersdorf, Gil Roseman, and Simon Litson, StoreDot is a pioneer of extreme fast charging battery technology that overcomes the critical barrier to mainstream EV adoption, range and charging anxiety. Unlike the batteries currently on the market, StoreDot has developed groundbreaking battery technologies based on the design and synthesis of both organic and inorganic compounds. StoreDot is currently shipping cell samples for real-world testing by leading automotive manufacturers. StoreDot's battery technology is optimized for the best driver experience with XFC in lithium batteries, as well as future technologies for extreme energy density. StoreDot's strategic investors include VinFast, BP, Daimler, Samsung Ventures, and TDK. In 2019, the company achieved world first by demonstrating the live full charge of a two-wheeled EV in just 5 minutes. In 2022, the company demonstrated the scalability of its XFC batteries by fully charging a commercial drone in 5 minutes in another world first. Moving XFC battery technology from the lab to a commercially viable electric vehicle for the first time, StoreDot has launched engineering samples of its XFC batteries that are designed to be manufactured at scale on traditional lithium production lines. By replacing known materials and technologies with enhanced electrochemical properties, StoreDot's proprietary compounds, combined with nanomaterials, are optimized for extreme fast charging, XFC of electric vehicles. StoreDot's batteries are designed to replace known technologies by means of enhanced physical, chemical, electrical, and optical properties. StoreDot also said it will use the funding proceeds to complete StoreDot's research and development for its silicon-dominant extreme fast charge battery cells for electric vehicles and continue its progress on extreme energy density cells based on solid-state technology for future deployment. This funding also enables the company to ramp up its California-based R&D center and commence scale-up operations in key global locations, in readiness for full mass production of cells in 2024. In a statement, Meyersdorf said, "This strategic round of funding, with principal investors coming from leading automotive, energy, and technology companies, is a huge vote of confidence in StoreDot, its XFC battery technologies, our long-term product roadmap, and our world-class technology and innovation that are all aimed to solve the range anxiety of EV drivers. We are now properly funded to take our silicon-dominant XFC cells to the end of the R&D phase and into scale-up in readiness for mass production in 2024 for global vehicle manufacturers. It will help overcome the major barrier to EV ownership, charging times, providing a 5% reduction, and, ultimately, helping us all achieve a zero-emissions, clean world." Pham Thuy Linh, Deputy CEO, VinFast said, "Enhancing customer experience is our top priority. We have been making dedicated efforts in research, connecting global intelligence by forming partnerships with and investing in breakthrough technology companies, especially in EV batteries such as StoreDot and its extremely fast charging proprietary technology." Meanwhile, StoreDot is in advanced talks with leading global car makers for the integration of its XFC technology into their future model. The company demonstrates a clear technology roadmap, including its next-generation XED, extreme energy density solid-state cells with planned mass production in 2028. Below is a video of StoreDot CEO Meyersdorf discussing the company's 5-minute fast charging technology.